is up? It's your girl Nia from Charming Lashes, and in today's video I am basically going to show you guys how I create fans with my lash brand, with my lash trays. I'm going to show you how I make volume fans the easiest way that works with me, which is the pinch method. If you guys are familiar with it, or if you've seen it on YouTube, it's one of the best techniques that you can possibly do. I've seen people use their index finger and their thumb. They've used the inner part of their index finger, which is so crazy. I like personally my index finger and my thumb. So that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys today. In one of my past videos, I showed you guys how to create volume fans with easy fan lash trays. So this time, I'm actually going to be showing you guys with my regular volume lash trays. So these are not easy fans, and these are more for my advanced lash techs. Now, once again, before we even start, I'm going to tell you guys, if you are not a certified lash tech, if you are not a licensed esthetician, don't be practicing this. Don't be watching this video and personally thinking, okay, I am a lash tech and I can go start lashing. These tutorials are just to help out my already certified lash techs who basically just need a couple helpful tips just to help them with their lashing, make it faster and everything like that. So this is what I am helping you guys for. Yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys this. I know it's been so long since I've done a tutorial or any helpful videos, and that's what you guys love about me. You love my instructions and you love everything like that. So let's get into this video. I'm not going to talk too much. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, comment down below what you would like to see in my next video, and follow me on Instagram. I am trying to hit 10K. As I go ahead and I grab a good amount like this. I am not the one to count my lashes in here. I know some people go by 10D or 5D or whatever. I personally do not count it, which is why I like to go less, which means I like to go in either 0.05 or 0.03s, because I know the more thickness you use, the heavier the lashes are, and that in turn can break your client's lashes. So yeah, you always want to grab a little amount like this. And I like to grab from the middle of my tweezer. You need to find out what is your grip point. So for this tweezer, my grip point is the middle part. And I like to use my index finger and my thumb. And I put my lashes right here, right in between my finger. And then I go ahead and I pinch. And while I'm pinching, I'm releasing the top part of my tweezer. That makes sense. Once I release that, you go, I go ahead and I dip in the glue. You don't need a lot. And there you go. Nice little band just like that. You guys can see that. Place it right here for you guys. And let's go ahead and make some more. Oop. Here you go, don't mind that, that's glue right there. Okay, let's try it again. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a small amount like this. Just like this, and like I said, this is my grip point. With every tweezer, there will be a different grip point, which I like to say like your favorite spot with your tweezer. Some people have a tweezer that the tip part is their good point or the end part. Mine with this tweezer, it is the middle part. And if you guys are wondering, I got this tweezer from Glow Artistry a long time ago, which is why it is chipped off. But this is like my favorite go-to tweezer. Once again, let's try another angle so you guys can see it better. Okay, and when I'm about to pinch, I go squeezing and releasing. Okay, I really like to focus on the grip. Once you learn the grip of your tweezers and where is the grip spot, trust me you guys, it'll be way easier. But without you knowing that, or the only way you guys can find that out is by practicing with your tweezer, getting to know your tweezer. So once again, here I go, twist, release, and boom. Nice and easy. Again, twist, There you go. Eventually your speed will start picking up. Your lashes will get faster, retention will be better. No breakage in your client's lashes. The growth will be nice and healthy. But yeah. So yeah, you guys, if you do practice this technique from my video, definitely tag me in the video that you guys are posting and I will definitely repost you. Love. And your fans should always have a skinny end, okay? If your fans have a fat end and it's super thick, let me go ahead and show you guys what you're not supposed to do. For one, you don't want to grab a thick part like this, okay? This is just too much. If you're grabbing a thick part like this, chances are you're breaking your client's lashes, for one. Especially if you're going with a thickness like 0.07, okay? And if the ends are fat like this, that means you did not finish your pinch method, okay? With the pinch method, when you finish releasing the pinch, it should already be skinny by the time you're about to put it in the glue. It should not be fat like this. Now, that's not to say some people don't create their fans like this, because I have seen people where they dip it in the glue and it does get skinny if they're like twisting it towards the end. But if you literally dip it like this and your fan is thick like this right here is a no, you guys, okay? Don't be doing this because you're breaking your client's lashes. So once again, I like to grab a tiny amount like this. And here we go with the index finger and the thumb. And I'm pinching, 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 and release. Okay. And there we go. So you see how it might be a little crooked at the end like that. What I like to do is I just dip in the glue. Once you lean it like that, there you go. Super simple, but once again, it is gonna take time for you guys to get like this if you are new to this. I know it took me a while to get the hang of it, which is why I took the time for quarantine, when quarantine first started, and I basically created them. So let's try it one more time. So make sure you guys have your tweezers, you have your lashes set up, grab a little bit, it's like this. You're holding it. You don't want to squeeze too tight where you got pressure on your thumbs and by the time you're done with your set, your fingers are cramping, okay? So here you are, you have your index finger and your thumb. Now go ahead and pinch. And when I mean pinch, I don't mean just to squeeze like this. You want to kind of squeeze with a little rotation. So here we go, kind of like I'm twisting a little and then I'm releasing. And there you go. You see how the end of my lashes are already pointy? So then once I put it in the glue, it's ready to be applied to the lashes. Okay, and that is another thing. I personally approve of these lashes, you guys. You are going to love my lash trays in the size 0.05. Once again, the lash trays go from 12 to 17. And as you can see, I want you guys to see the quality of this. It is super good quality, you guys. And it has a nice softness to it. So you can see it's super soft. It doesn't have the crazy shine to it. Super soft, you guys. I love these. I create amazing mega volume sets with these. I create amazing volume wispy sets. I am, like I said, I'm going to insert some clips of some volume wispy sets that I did, especially with the flash on, so you guys can see how my sets are looking with this particular lash tray. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed showing you guys what I was doing. Don't forget to comment down below what you would like to see in my next video, or if you enjoyed it, or any other techniques you know about it. Go ahead and share it down in the comments below for all of our lash techs here. And as well as, don't forget to check out my website. My lash trays will be in stock by the time I upload this. Tag me in whatever video you guys are watching. If you are watching this video right now, go ahead and tag me. Show me that you guys are working on your fans and everything like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the support. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.